Dozens of African countries are joining the 15th BRICS Summit here in Johannesburg, South Africa. As one of the most industrialized economies of the African continent, South Africa is aiming to bring Africa's agenda to the fore and having a strong conversation on African issues.
It is significant both as the first in-person BRICS gathering in more than 3 years and one which pulls wisdom from beyond the 5 major emerging national economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The world has been keeping tabs on this year's summit, which brings African countries together for a bigger pie of the global economy and to fill up the considerable gap in global governance.
Observers say that over the past 15 years, BRICS has helped African countries better integrate into the world economy and opened up development opportunities for them.
BRICS countries have a combined population of over 3.2 billion people, accounting for some 40% of the world's roughly 8 billion population. Together, they represent a quarter of the global GDP and account for 16% of world trade. By incorporating African countries in this year's talks, BRICS delivers the message that multilateralism and common development must include the Global South.